Whenever you find a situation where your apps are keep on crashing and you're unable to fix it, so in this video we're going to see how to fix that kind of situation where your app is keep on crashing. For example, see in this video, on my home page, if Amazon app is there, if it's keep on crashing, what I can do, just hold this Amazon app for certain seconds where you'll get all this information, and on the top you'll get a dot here. Just tap on that one. Upon tapping, you will be getting this open and install force stop. If you want to open without crashing, just try to tap on this open. That's all. If it is crashing earlier, now it will open the app. So if it's still not working, for example, let's see, if it's still not working, then again go back and just tap it here and go to that dot, again tap it there. So what you can do is just uninstall the app and install it. That's all. Whatever the thing is stopping you from opening that particular app will not be stopping next time whenever you install that app again. So you can straight away go to uninstall and tap it on uninstall and do it install. And third thing which you can look into is permissions. Sometimes if you have granted all the permissions, also would be a problem, because all those hackers would be stealing your data. Amazon won't be such app, but other apps I'm talking about, sometimes hackers won't allow you to do such things. So remove permissions if app isn't used. So this you can disable and try to open your app so that you can able to open your app. So like that you can do several settings here. You can change your all the permissions based on your camera, contacts, files and media, location, media, microphone, phone, whatnot, everything. You can review it and do that one. Or still it's not working, try to force stop so that the app would be stopping. And next time when you open this, I'm closing by going there, and when I open this app, this should open. That's all. See, this has opened. Like that you try in all these methods so that you would be able to open this whenever that situation arises where the app keep on crashing. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.